Elia greets particularly my beloved father YAHVAH, and a great kiss for him. And Elia as well greets my beloved YAHOSHUA, and a great kiss for him. For the small lambs of YAHOSHUA who deserve, YAHOSHUA bless all of you. We are here together to glorify that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA, that we are going to continue the teaching for today. Teaching, the continuation of the teaching in Luke. And the title of the teaching is, Will Your Eyes Not Be Opened? That is the title. Will your eyes not be opened? Why Elia is saying that? Because we can see together what is happening, what we can see. We can see the earthquake is ongoing. I have told you that it's time to accomplish that word. I don't say that there was no earthquake. There was an earthquake. That what is happening at the moment is really different from what is happening before. And it's really your planet Earth that is really shaken. A fast flood. It is happening now, and no one can escape it. This world cannot escape it. Your planet Earth is really burned, and it's really burned. Europe area, in America, in China, in India, and I must say that in Madagascar is still in peace. It's already open for Madagascar, all dangers that is going to happen to him, and he's going to face what is going to happen. The war is not stopped. If you have heard the teaching that they continue working, the agreement that they made 2 weeks ago, it's already destroyed because Elia said, come on, fighting. There is astonishing. They are fighting each other. And aren't you still conscious? Even they really made that agreement. They signed it. It meant it's in peace. There is no war anymore. But it's Elia who said that, come on, fighting, and they fight. Aren't you still conscious who is arrived in you? You humans. Aren't you conscious yet? Who is the one you can see? I'm not talking about you, the small lambs of YAHOSHUA. You already know that. That you don't care. That the words of Elia you cannot stop. The words of Elia must be accomplished. It must be accomplished because it's from that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA. Elia is just bringing the words, and we can see together the result of the words. The words are accomplished. The words are true. There is no neither authority nor power who can stop that. There is a great truth in front of your eyes for the small lambs of YAHOSHUA that to make you to stand firm. Serve YAHOSHUA well. Communicate with YAHOSHUA well because your eyes can see it. This world is really a chaos. There is no place that we cannot see a chaos. It's really a chaos everywhere. In a place that you think it's the peace, there is no peace. And everybody is afraid of the world will be exploded. It's gonna be exploded. And it's the word of Elijah that is going to explode it. And this world follows the words of Elijah. The word is clear. The world must be exploded. It's not a world war anymore. That it's really a war of your destruction. You are going to fight each other. A war of distractions. It's not a world war. That is the title. It's a war between human. Human will kill each other. Between you, you're going to kill each other. And the fake peace is going to be established because God is going to enter. You, President Putin, according to human and your work, you're going to abandon your position as a president. It's just few months left. And do your work. You cannot stay there anymore according to Eliah's words. So do what you should do. But you must give up on your position. That's what is happening. That is the truth. The words are accomplished. This world must follow the words, as it is already planned, as that YAHVAH has planned it according to the desire of the creator of this planet Earth and the heavens. Glory be to the honor of the words YAHVAH and YAHOSHUAH. Those mean how you stand firm. And to make you chin up, don't do something poorly. For you who are baptized recently, there is no new baptism. Don't think that you are new and you will go in the wrong way. The law is the same for the new and those already here, those old one. Okay? So what is going to happen? What is going to happen? You're going to check what is going to happen according to Luke chapter 21. Glory to our beloved Father YAHVAH and to our beloved elder brother YAHOSHUAH. We were stopped in the verse where? In the verse, if I'm not wrong, it's about 21, about the pregnant woman. Luke chapter 21 verse 23. How dreadful it will be in those days for pregnant women and nurturing mothers. There will be great distress in the land and wrath against these people. They will fall by sword and will be taken as prisoners to all nations. Jerusalem will be trampled on by Gentiles. All nations, planet Earth, they will be struck. No one can escape. That's what is happening around the world. No peace anymore. And that's why Elijah is saying that for you who are looking for that peace, you humans don't want to be a president. If you want to be a president, if you are looking for a suffering, all of the sufferings, stay as a president. And you will see what is going to happen next. Let's read Isaiah chapter 20, Isaiah chapter 24. Where to find the kings of the earth. Isaiah chapter 24. And where? Isaiah chapter 24 verse 21. In that day, YAHVAH will punish the powers in the heavens above. This is about how extraterrestrials will fall down on this planet Earth, and their falling that creates the problem on this planet Earth. That is one element, because that is the word of that YAHVAH. You will fall down on the planet Earth, and that is the problem, because when the devils fall down here, they are the honor of the disturbance. They are the honor of the rebellion, the honor of the war, and that's why people war with them. They're fighting non-stop because of the sins, because the sins is entered, the devils are entered, and people imitate devils' behavior. That's why no one is conscious, no one is aware. Once after they finished sinning, committed sinning, that they are conscious, and that is the curse of that sin, fallen into the curse of the sins. So be careful, the small arms of Yahushua, about rebellion. That was the last teaching, that people will rebel when the devils will come, and the arrival of the devil. That's why there is the lawlessness one. That I tell you, the lawlessness one is the next Russian president, that he will go against that YAHVAH, and that picture matches perfectly. Those wicked mindless come down here, and human imitates automatically the behavior of those wicked mindless, and that's why people getting worse, because those wicked mindless fall down here, and automatically the wrong things are ongoing, and because they send the frequency of wrongdoings and people receive it, including technology. That is the proof that they own everything, because the technology, they stole it from that YAHVAH. That is the least thing that they have. It's not everything that they have. If we take an example, that YAHVAH has 1,000, it's just 2 or 3 that they boast with you. It's like the biggest one that they have, that it's really the dumbest one that they have, that they are boasting with you humans. That's why I've told you, the smartphones you are using, it's a danger for you, because it's in the smartphone that they show many things to attract you, so that you will be persuaded by what is seen on the screen, and you will do wrong things to make Yahushua sad, and it's really danger for you. And there are people outside of the kingdom that Yahushua let them enter the kingdom. They can enter, but there is no baptism. So for you who are baptized, stand firm. Don't be fooled. There is no twice baptism for you. That is the picture. So if those mindless, wicked fall down, people getting worse. That's why the wrongdoings are spreading everywhere, and automatically that YAHVAH will strike you. And that's what is happening on your planet Earth, burning, and hell will fall down, lightning will chase you at the day. But the small arms of Yahushua, they will go with no fear, no worries, because they have Yahushua, the most powerful. That is it. Always follow the words of Eliah, or follow the words of Eliah. Don't drop even just one letter. Whatever words I have told you, if you have received the words from me, follow it to the letter. It's not only in the church that you follow the words, but when you get out of here, you don't follow it. Wherever you are, if you want to go to the heaven of heaven, follow the words of Eliah. Wherever you are, whatever words is told to you, if you receive the words to do this, Don't change it, don't add or subtract it, but that is your protection. But if you broke that, there is no protection upon you. Is it clear for you? So far, so clear. Really clear. What is not clear about that? Is it clear? That is it. And let's continue the word. When those wicked mindless will fall down, and the kings on the earth below, they will be punished as well. It will reach to president as well. That's why Elias says to all of the president around the world, give up on your position as a president if you don't want to be in a trouble. Don't be a president anymore. Get away from it. That is an advice from Elias. Don't want to be a president anymore. That is the worst position to be a president, even in Madagascar. That's why I said, particularly for Madagascar, because I am in Madagascar, I am speaking, and I advise you, that is the best one, your president, the best one for you, Madagascar. You who are in Madagascar, that is the best one. But the one after him, you're going to see what is going to happen. What Elias has told you, it's really bad to be a president. But the one who will be a president, he will not fight against human anymore, but he will fight against that YAHVAH. You can use that as a reference. Maybe 2 months ago that I told you, in 2027, you must abandon your position as a president, Putin. So, who will succeed him? It's Gog. All president will be under Gog's command. And if you will be under Gog's command, get ready, you will be punished. All president during Gog's mandate, those president will be devils. If you are not the devils, you cannot be a president. And which are the country under Gog's authority, how it will end. I don't know if you understand what I am saying. And all president who will be sitting at that moment, those president will be played by the devils, because it's clear the words. If those problems are falling down, your planet Earth is burnt. All that YAHVAH's wrath is already ongoing according to the words of Elias. In China, the flood in China, have you heard about that? Snake came out of their place and they killed humans. Both water and fire bring out creatures. Where is your God? You humans, where is your God? Told them to solve the problem. Your God told them. You gathered, you met in Majunga, you called Jesus. Jesus is the God. That is really wonderful. Tell Jesus to solve the problem. Call him to solve the problem. Call him. Even I really want to see how he will solve the problem. Jesus should solve the problem, how your planet Earth is burned and the flood. And I may say that nothing happened in Madagascar. No one will wish the danger for Madagascar. But it must happen, because it's not me who will do it. It's your Creator that you despised, that you underestimated. YAHVAH is his name. And when it will come to you, you cannot support it. And I will tell you, call Jesus. From now on, fast food. Call Jesus. Fast food at the maximum. I have made you ready for Malagasy. Tell Jesus to solve what is going to happen to you, and call Allah as well. Tell Allah to solve it. Call Brahma, Buddha, Ganesh. Call all the idol worshipper. the another 12 mountains or 7 mountains, or if we make it plus, search a solution about 19 mountains. Search all of the solutions, all gods you worship in idol, your idols, call all of them. But if you cannot find any solutions anymore, call Elia. That is it. If you can, call me. If I will solve it. That time will come. It's not you that I will tell, cajole me, but it's really people around the world that I will say, cajole me. We're going to see what will happen next. But we can see that together. The picture is broadcasted on the news. They say what is happening to our planet Earth. They're a little bit aware what is happening on our planet Earth. Fire there, a water there, a flood there, and I sent comment. The words of Elia are accomplished. There must be one of them will see that. Haven't I taught you? Haven't I said? Haven't I advised? This world is really confused about the words. The words of Elia. But Elia is really small in Madagascar and no one listened to. No one is watching. But you're going to see sooner. Sooner you're going to see it. Whatever Elia said. And what make me funny, if I say something and it is happening, all of them say that we prophesied about it, about that, those wicked, mindless. Why didn't you say since 2001? And it's so simple. Get away from it if you can. Tell the solution. But if Elia says, the key is with me, Elia has the key if he is speaking. That for you, what kind of key do you have? What kind of key do you have in your hand? The key of your four-wheel driver, and you're boasting your four-wheel driver, it will run into the fire, in the water, and it's finished, damaged. It's really nothing. But it's really special, those who are with Yahushua. Really special. That is it. Really wonderful and awesome. Okay, let's continue the words. That's why it's bad to be a president. In the verse 22, they will be herded together like a prisoners bound in a dungeon. Oh my gosh, all of you, president, you'll be herded together like a prisoners bound in a dungeon. That is so bad. That's why I have told you, to be a president, prime minister, they're together. It's really bad. If it's about government, that is the worst position. Even if you want to be a minister, don't want to be like that. If you want to be in peace, those positions are already bad. Really the worst. Because the president is bad, because they will be herded together like a prisoners bound in a dungeon. So you wish to be herded and bound in a dungeon. You will be herded together like a prisoners. So you will be bound. Those who want to be bound, stay as a president. For Madagascar, your president is the best one. I give you a reference. Elia likes giving a reference because it follows our words that Madagascar will be led by military. And here is, I truly tell you, he is the best one. When it will give up on you, you will be upside down. Remember the words of Elia. And I advise you, lastly, Malagasy people, make sure you will keep him. That is an advice, but it's your choice if you are careless. We don't enter about that. We don't have anything to do with that. We don't care. But that is the last limit for you humans. The president in Madagascar. The reference for you American people around the world. Malagasy president, a military president in Madagascar. If he will abandon his position as a president, Malagasy people will be upside down in a great chaos. I don't know if it's you or the before you, after you. Like prisoners bound in a dungeon, all president, they will be bound in a dungeon. Devils will bound in a dungeon. Devil will take control over you and that YAHVAH too. And you will be bound in a dungeon. You will be herded together like a prisoners. So after many days, they will be shut up in a prison and be punished. That doesn't mean that they will get out of the prison, but just to visit what is happening to them, how is their end. It's a danger for a president. Danger for the president. And add that another title. Will your eyes not open? Disaster for president and those who are with him. Even all of them, they want to be a president. They want to be a devil. That's what it means. Those president at that time, they must be part of the devils, because they will enslave you. It's normal that they will take all president. So obviously, when the planet Earth will be enslaved, it's like what Donald Trump, the president of America, did in Venezuela. They take control over Venezuela because they defeated him. So when extraterrestrials will enslave your planet Earth, they must take all presidents and all of you. So all president of republic, they are under the authority of the devils if they like or they don't. Obviously, devil's mind will be ongoing. And it will be ongoing automatically. There is no freedom at that time. Is it clear? The moon will be dismayed, the sun ashamed, for YAHVAH Almighty will reign on Mount Zion in Jerusalem and before its elders with great glory. So the moon will be dismayed. Everything is changed on this planet Earth because of the great chaos. It's really messy. Above, up there, on the moon, and what is happening on this planet Earth. That moon can give you light at night, but that YAHVAH burns it, it becomes red. The moon is burned as well. Instead of giving you a light, it is burned. Because for you, when something is happening, it depends on the moon. That is the one who is sick and amen. But that YAHVAH burns even the moon. So their shelter, those are destroyed. They seek an amen. It's the extraterrestrials who are living there. When people seek an omen down here, they communicate with extraterrestrials. They pray to extraterrestrials. It's like that how they seek an omen. That YAHVAH burns stars and moon that they seek an omen. All of them are burned. It's like how the planet Earth is burned. It's really dangerous. The anger is reaching that situation. If the moon is dismayed, becomes red, that YAHVAH strike there. It's not your planet Earth is burned and above up there is becomes red. It's like when there is a brush fire and the smoke goes up and the color of the moon and the sun becomes red. That here the moon becomes dismayed, it becomes red like a blood, because the moon is burned as well. All places that you claim to be God, those will be burned, so that you know that those you claim to be God, those are nothing in front of the Creator, the owner of everything. That is beloved Father YAHVAH. Everything is His, and you must worship in front of Him. You must see that human, all of your idol, witchcraft, those are nothing. That is it. Elijah is arrived. Do you get it? It's wonderful. So let's continue the word. Is it clear? The moon will be dismayed and the sun ashamed, because the end is here. And there is a word in Revelation chapter 7. Let's check it. They will say, fall on us, we are really scared, because you did. Revelation chapter 6 verse 12. I watched as he opened the sixth seal. There was a great earthquake. The sun turned black like a sackcloth. So when the earthquake is ongoing, the sun becomes dark. The whole moon turned blood red. In the last version, the sun is ashamed, and the moon is burned in the moon. And the moon dismayed, whole moon turned blood red, and the stars in the sky fell to earth as figs drop from a fig tree when shaken by a strong wind. It's not stars, it's extraterrestrials. Is it clear? That it's like this how the moon will be burned. Those are above up there. And the heavens receded like a scroll being rolled up. That is your planet Earth story. And every mountain and island was removed from its place. How is it according to you? There are two pictures. The first picture, it's about the arrival of a 1,000-year kingdom, and all previous heavens and earth are gone. Is it clear? The structure of your planet Earth will be changed. So before the 1,000-year kingdom, there must be dangers. That is really at the moment we are speaking, the moment Elijah is here. so that people will enter the 1,000-year kingdom and people will be young like this brother. How old are you? 18. Okay, stand up, because it's really like you, the people who will be 100 years old at that time, it will be like you. Yahushua bless you. Look at them. He is the 100 years old. And think about that, how it will be the weather, the season at that time. And it's like him, the 100 years old at that time. How is it possible? 100 years old, really, even to see their face is really so that people will become like him. Something above your head must be changed. And when the structure above your head is changed, during the 1,000-year kingdom, the structure above your head is changed. That's why all structure around the world is changed. The wind, the sun, the food you eat, all of that is cursed. That's why there must be a medicine to heal you only on this planet Earth. That YAHVAH must grow medicines to make you healthy, so that doctors create medicines because of the sins. The situation to solve your problems reaches their situations for you humans, because you are cursed to die. But medicine to be immortal, it will never be given to you. But if you want to find that, come to Yahushua. Your flesh is dead, but your spirit is alive forever. Only in Yahushua the solution. Is it clear? It's like that how the situation is, and that is changed in this first time. When Yahushua is coming, everything is changed above up there on your planet Earth. That's why mountains will be moved. But this is not the end. It's really different from the end about the new Jerusalem. That is the last one. Your planet Earth is really destroyed and nothing anymore. There is nothing. But this is the Jerusalem of happiness, because it's still the name of Jerusalem. It's always Jerusalem that YAHVAH and Yahushua take as a reference, because it's always there that Yahushua is arrived. And when Yahushua will come back, dangers are ongoing, and those dangers declaration that the destruction is coming about Yahushua's arrival. That is, Eliah is arrived, and that's why the great chaos in this world, Eliah's presence, because that is the presence of that YAHVAH. Eliah is here to tell you the word, and that's why when Eliah is arrived, here he is, myself, that YAHVAH is coming. Judgment is coming, destruction is coming, and the renewal is coming as well. That is a renewal of your planet Earth. It's not about the renewal in Madagascar, but it's a renewal of that YAHVAH about your system to control your planet Earth. Do you get it? That is happening. So, what is right? The end of your planet Earth, the great chaos that YAHVAH will make. Kings will be destroyed. See how is the end of the kings. Then the kings of the earth, the prince, the generals, the rich, the mighty, and everyone else, both slave and free, hid in caves and among the rock of mountains. They called to the mountains and the rocks, fall on us and hide us from the face of him who sits on the throne and from the wrath of the Lamb. For the great day of the wrath has come, and who can withstand it? And who can withstand it? Everyone is striked. That's why Eliah said, don't stay as a president. Get away from it. It's already a danger for a president and for Malagasy president. Because I am here, your reference, all presidents, American, French president, this president is it's like there is a key. He is your reference for all presidents around the world. Where is his way? If he is gone, don't be a president anymore. For French, Chinese, American, English, those who will be a president at that time, they will become a devil. You'll become a devil automatically, my words. Is the mind of the devil will be on their head, because everything will be owned by the devil at that time, because they will strike. They know they have a short time. It's a danger for the sea and the earth. The devils will arrive on you with a great anger, because they know their time is short. Revelation chapter 12 verse 12. And you who dwell in them, bear woe to the earth and the sea. And I add, woe to the kings, to the prime minister, our ministers, and everyone. So the anger of that YAHVAH will be upon them. That's why I give a reference. The Malagasy president is the reference for all of you people around the world. That one, the renewal one, the last reference I gave you, human. You can go against my words. There is no problem that you should go against the words before as well. Ask French, have it happened before? Ask Spain, has it happened before? All Europe area, has it happened before? Those areas which are burned. But the answer, that wasn't happened before. You will see the earthquake that 100 million of you will die on this planet Earth. If I don't want to say a billion, you will remember the words of Eliah. That's why I tell you who despise, underestimate Eliah, be careful. It's not a human that you see. I truly tell you. But it's always you, the small names that I let you know, that people let them despise whatever they want. There is no problem then. We're going to see each other. And don't complain when you will be caught. See how that American, they're really powerful. But why they're complaining about Iranian? They can kill Iranian if they want to kill them. But according to the words of Eliah, you can't defeat them. But Donald Trump doesn't have any solution of that anymore. He doesn't know what to do. It's like a snot of the baby coming out, and coming in is the end of the situation. They strike and they move backward, because they strike back as well. They don't know what to do. They are small, but they bother them. It's a small one that bothers them. But if they could listen to Eliah, that's why I have told you, if the American president had listened to Eliah, you would haven't gone the wrong way. That he must go to that way, so that it will be shown to you there is the honor of this planet Earth, and it's not you who will boast. And you must give up on Israelian as well, if you like it, if you don't. As the devils, they are trying to destroy the words of Eliah. Ha 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 ha! It's my turn to laugh. Ha 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 ha! It's like that how Eliah is laughing. Do whatever you want to do. Always go against the words of Eliah. They do everything. You don't understand that. But the devils, I truly tell you, people are really mumbling about what is happening in Russia, and they want to revolt. because of what Vladimir Putin, the president of Russia, is doing. Because how is it Russia is straight that he never moves? Because he is scared by the words that you must be pulled out by hooks, that you will get out, because when he will get out, immediately he will die. And who will kill him? American. They will laugh at American. I truly tell you, it's really nothing for Putin to destroy American. It's really nothing for him. That Russia, they have 40 million militaries underground. But no one knows that, but we know. American know that about 200 million that God will bring to attack Yahushua. Read the Revelation chapter 9. The number of the militaries at that time is 200 million. How many is the number of the military on this planet Earth? Where is Talitu? You are above up there. Give me the number of the militaries on this planet Earth. 77 million with the reservist. 77 million. Even the total of the number is 200 million. If we gather people, it's not complete. And to hire military at the moment is difficult because people already know we will die.